Hey Fred, even after resting, it seems like this cell that you just sent, it's all nicely wrapped up, everything else. However, this one here, even after resting for a long period of time, there we go, sorry, it's at 3.45, and the others are reading 3.32. Let me flip these around. Three 3.32. And what's the luck about getting another thing? What I did was I went ahead and I took the circuit board, flipped it around, hooked it up differently because I charged it up and down a couple times, and well, as I can see, it doesn't do any difference. It's always this one cell, this one area over here. Okay, well, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and put the hook this up to the inverter and the heater and run her down and give you another reading as soon as it's done. Thanks. I thought this was kind of interesting, Fred. As soon as I put a load on, it dropped down to 12.6, and taking the readings, whoops, once again, it's not real easy to do one-handed while I'm recording here. This drops down to 3.21, and they all equal out pretty close to being the same thing. 3.21, 3.21, 3.22, 3.21. It's just amazing to me that all this was able to be done just by putting the load on, and it drops down so quickly. Thanks. Okay, Fred, it just finally stopped. Completely dead. Nothing on there. Let's give her a reading. Sorry about this. Once again, it's hard to do one-handed. It's 2.81. Let's flip her around. .96, 2.95, 2.96. Same thing as the other cell going on.